Coronado shoe repair. Hilda's husband had a heart attack and she does all the work. She has a little help, but she's a shoemaker herself and she does all the work. So she just fixed I fell off my bike and they got all stained up and she fixed them like new. So if you want to help Hilda out, please come into her store and bring some shoes because she needs a little extra help. Seeing as our husband got really ill and she's worked so hard trying to make it work, but she's struggling. So do Hilda a favor and come in here and help her out. Thank you very much.